So hi everyone, this is Rohit and this is my 23rd day of 33rd day of my challenge, and that is Rajendra Prasad, and here I am, and I want to tell about that is God. This is my original God. When I was not feel awkward, feel very feel very bad, then I really miss that God, and really I proud moment for this God, because his name is Buddha, Lord Buddha, because he's a very good God. And here here you can see he fall from there, and I kept there, and hello. So that is my fan, and he is hang out on this rob. You can see, and there is a there is a there is a Rohit. Means I'm not wrote this, but one of my big brother who wrote for me that I have a form. I had a form in another place that I I asked from the mm, the management of this one, and you can see the big brother make for me very good thing, that is Rohit. And I have two gold medals, which I won before two in approx 1 year. 1 year I won two gold medals. You can see national mathematics and anything else, and there is a national science and technology. So that's I want to tell that firstly we have a lot of things that, but we can't say that we have a lot of things, because you can say when I had problem, the time I used to wrote on that, and you can see I'm present now. I'm in the class 10th, and I have a lot of problem, then I am solving here. You can see a plus b ka whole square and a plus b ka whole cube, and there are so many things which I wrote, and I try to understand, and so on. I think that there is a pain. What is the need of any pain? When I was in the class 9 in the starting, I wrote about a pain, but how much I am able to write or not. So I wrote something about I I wrote something about pain is very important thing in your life, because if you have power of pain, I know that if anybody see my video, watch my video, then he can judge me. He can judge me absolutely, I know, because he has a lot of grammatical mistakes. Yeah, I know I have a lot of grammatical mistakes, but don't worry, Rohit, because I will improve very soon. And a pain is very important thing in a life, and a student life, and everyone's life, because a pain makes your life good. Because if you have pain, if anywhere need that, you can use this, and so on, so many things I have. You can see one of my friend, he has a lot of written books. You can see that is blank, and everything is blank. Our mind is also blank, but if we start using our brain, then we can feel. And this is my one of the not most popular book for me, because I think when I was study, that is Gita, and when I was study this, then means I feel I know about I know about I know about religions, how much religions in our India and in other states. So I know many things about when I was study this, a lot of things. But present now I'm not studying like that. Whatever I want, that when I was in the class mid of class 10th, I used to I used to read, but I don't know what is the problem. I am not able to read any books when I was in the first time in the class 10th. I am so excited to know that means if I will complete this book, then I can know a lot of things. But present now I can nothing here from this. And there is a book who feel in me that belief is too much important. If you believe in yourself, then see you can do anything else. And belief is a very important thing in your life. If you believe in yourself, then you can do everything, and belief is too much important. And next video I will upload about what is belief and how much belief is important. So thank you.